So, everybody, it's definitely been a while you haven't seen me. So, this is the reason why I'll be telling you in this video. Slash, I'll be giving pointers about where I'm at and how it is and how it has been. And also, this is an update about how bartending has been. So everybody, it's original Country Boy, and first giveaways, yeah, me know, you know, I wonder what happened to me here.
Deal with the hair, how you liking my hair, new style, fresh and everything.
I had to cut it off, but guess what? It's a part of life, and I saw it go sometime. But even though I'm not having my hair again, still original Country Boy, alright? So I just want to get that straight. So yeah, man. First thing I'm gonna talk about is this beautiful place that I'm at. So far, it's a lovely place, and let me give you a small little tour about it. Located in Jamaica, nice little room, 1 bedroom. You and your honey can come stay, nice. Sure enough, yeah man, at night I make that video by the way. Sure know what the balcony look like. So yeah, maybe I'll have to take like a picture in the morning so you can see what it look like, the view from the balcony. If you still want to travel, come to Jamaica and you're looking for somewhere not as packed, I would suggest you look for the small hotels, because you know, with this virus that's going on right now, you don't want to be around a lot of people. So the best thing for you to do right now is to book a small hotel. Makes sense. Yeah, so that's one of some things that I want to talk about. So now that me done talk about small hotel and the view and them something there, yeah. The next thing is, what am I doing here? So what I am doing here is, you can call it slide intern. Yeah, so exercising my skill as a bartender to better develop it, where I can be a better bartender in the future. Who knows? I'll probably reach to Butler standards. So that's the reason why I'm now here. Yeah. How has it been so far? You might ask. Well, definitely interesting. Alright, why I say it is interesting? For this specific reason. Everybody, from you watch my video and you know some very high energy, and you know some very interesting, and you know some very jovial. I love cut joke, I love going with gimmicks. So people tend to gravitate to that. And you know, anywhere I am and any environment I'm in, me personally, me love to laugh, and I love to cut joke. Cut joke meaning like crack a joke, whatever you would say. Mosquito. So yeah. So this internship has definitely been interesting. Our training has definitely been interesting because I get to use my God-given gift, which is humor, to interact and make somebody enjoy their vacation and have a beautiful time while they're in Jamaica. So that's definitely interesting to me. And another thing is to see how well a person appreciate you through how much they may tip you. Your service is for one. the type of service you give a person definitely determines your tip. First of all, if you did a person shabby, why would that person wanna tip you? So yeah, if you be courteous with somebody, they'll definitely think about tipping you, even though sometimes you may be courteous with somebody and they still don't tip you. But that's for one. How you make a drink for a guest is another thing why they may tip you. Also, how quickly you can make the drink for them as a bartender is another reason also. And you know just how you make a person feel. So yeah, that's how you make tip as a bartender. Yeah, so next thing is I want to tell you some recipes and some of my favorite drinks that I've learned that I can definitely say it's my favorite drinks to make, whether frozen drink or shaked or mixed drinks. Alright, so the first thing is the Bob Marley. Yeah, man, you know, when a Jamaican national hero, I'm just playing. One of Jamaica's biggest reggae artists, Bob Marley, yeah, man. Well, you know, he represents Rastafarian. You know, the colors of the Rastafarian community is red, yellow, and green, right? So, what we did here in Jamaica is we make a drink with all those three colors and we name it after the great Bob Marley. You see me? You can do it Bob Marley, either frozen or as a shot. The Bob Marley is internationally known as a Bob Marley shot. It is more known locally. It is more known here in Jamaica as a frozen drink, but internationally it is known as a shot. But I'll tell you how to make the Bob Marley here when you're in Jamaica, which is a frozen version. First thing what you have to do is you got to create your red. And how do you create your red when making the Bob Marley is you create, you know, if you know to make strawberry daiquiri, you can do it. Like you get your strawberry syrup, you get your ice, you get your rum, you get your lime juice and put it in your blender. Then you turn it on, it blend up. Then that's the first layer of the Bob Marley right there. Put it in the cup, boom. First part. How do you get your yellow is you can use your mango syrup or your mango daiquiri or whatever to get the yellow. The next thing that you do is you put blue curaçao, which is a liqueur, and you throw it in there with the yellow, blend, and you get your green because yellow and blue give you green, right? Yeah, and then when you get your green, you pour it on top and boom, you have your Bob Marley. Bonus, one of my favorite drinks to make is for the ladies, strawberry daiquiri. And that's it. That's it for tonight, everybody. So I just wanted to do this because I haven't put up a video on my channel for like ages. So yeah, man, I go upload that one, yeah. Make everybody know what's up with Kountry Boi. Make them know, say, the shrimp and everything. Yeah, man. Make them know, say, life has gotten definitely busy, but yeah, man, still always I represent Kountry Boi. So I just want to remind everybody, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll definitely see you all again in the future. Remember that. See out there. Shh, people asleep.